Bold capability, refined comfort, and the undeniable power to tackle heavy daily workloads. The all-new 2027 Toyota Tundra proves a modern full-size pickup truck can maintain its rugged identity while offering a sophisticated ride. Hello, and welcome to Auto Analyst 88. Today, we are taking a first look at the 2027 Toyota Tundra, a premium truck rewriting the traditional blueprint. By abandoning the outdated V8 engine, this modern powerhouse combines advanced twin-turbocharged efficiency with exceptional daily comfort. Let us start with the exterior. Beginning at the front, the 2027 Tundra immediately makes a bold statement with an imposing muscular stance. The massive front grille and distinctive LED headlights emphasize that this premium pickup truck is designed for serious workloads. Viewed from the side, the Tundra looks every bit like a premium workhorse. Its strong shoulder lines and high ground clearance create a commanding profile. Moving to the rear, the Tundra maintains its tough character with a highly practical cargo bed design. Buyers can choose between a standard 6.5-foot bed or an extended 8-foot option. Both configurations feature a deep 20.9-inch measurement to the bed rails, providing generous space for hauling heavy construction materials. Step inside and you'll find an interior that successfully combines rugged durability with modern functionality. The dashboard features a chunky yet purposeful layout, housing a wide center console with plenty of storage and a prominent shift lever. While base models utilize durable plastics, higher trims offer a more refined atmosphere. Front row occupants enjoy generous space with up to 41.8 inches of legroom. The second row crew cab provides 33.3 inches of legroom. A massive 14-inch infotainment display dominates the center stack, featuring crisp graphics, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an available 12-speaker JBL audio system. Safety and technology are also major highlights. The 2027 Toyota Tundra comes standard with the advanced Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 suite. This comprehensive package includes adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning with emergency braking, and lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. From maximum confidence while pulling heavy loads, optional blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and parking sensors are fully integrated. Now let's talk about performance. Toyota has completely eliminated the traditional 8-cylinder engine, equipping the Tundra exclusively with a sophisticated twin-turbo V6. The standard i4 setup generates a robust 391 horsepower and 655 newton-meters of torque. For serious power, the iForce Max hybrid powertrain adds an electric motor generator to deliver an incredible 445 horsepower and 797 newton-meters of torque. Paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission and a part-time 4-wheel drive system, it's ready for any challenge. Thanks to an innovative coil-spring rear suspension, the Tundra provides a remarkably supple ride on paved roads while still offering a massive towing capacity of 14,200 pounds and a payload rating of 2,240 pounds. In conclusion, the 2027 Toyota Tundra marks a brilliant evolution of the full-size pickup truck. It combines a commanding exterior design, functional modern interior, advanced hybrid powertrain, and exceptional towing capability into one highly capable package. With pricing ranging from $43,455 up to $66,575, this truck is built to handle the ultimate challenge. So what do you think about the 2027 Toyota Tundra? Could this advanced hybrid pickup finally dethrone the legendary Ford F-150? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed today's video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest automotive reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.